Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. So the square root of x to the power of 6 I will put outside, and you have x to the power of 3. This one we have x. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 2 minus x. Because we have x, so I will put this one go to the left, u go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 go in here, so u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 2, we put number 2 go in here, and we have u equals to number 0. So number 1 we keep the same. Number 2 we change for number 0. This one we change for u. S we change for 2 minus u. The x we change for negative du. So this one that is about u to the power of 3 over 2. And now this one will multiply by number 2 and u. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have u to the power of 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. So 3 over 2 plus 1, we have 5 over 2. And the next one that is about 7 over 2. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have 18 over 35. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.